Hey guys! So we just made it to Hvar. Let me give you a tour. A spacious little studio and a small kitchenette. Has like an electric stove. Everything we need. And the best part about this Airbnb is the view and the private terrace. So all of this just for $86 a night after tax. So Brandon and I decided that every time we come to a new Airbnb, we're just gonna take the first day to settle in, get groceries, and just relax. We're so excited to explore. Good morning. It is time to make breakfast, and Brandon and I are on a extremely tight budget for this year-long adventure. It's not a vacation. That's something that I constantly have to remind myself every single day, because the urge to eat at restaurants every single day is so real. So we are trying a new type of sausage called domaka kombasica. I am totally butchering that. Here you go.
Wow.
Sorry, I burnt the eggs.
It's all good. It looks like we're just going to walk up to the Spanish fortress. It's about a 15-minute walk from here. It looks longer because it's like way uphill. And then eventually we need to find a tent that sells the boat tours, because we unfortunately can't rent a boat anymore without a boating license. So we'll have to go on an excursion with other people, which honestly won't be that bad. It'll take the stress off. We can drink a little more and won't have to worry about driving a boat. So we walked all the way to the top of the Spanish fortress, and to get in you need to pay, which honestly kind of makes sense. We didn't think about that. We didn't think about that. It's about a mile walk up, and the view, I mean, you basically get the same view from just outside the fortress as you would inside. So I definitely think this was time well spent.
Okay, so very similar to Dubrovnik, the alleyways are absolutely beautiful. The stone walls and architecture, it's lovely.
All right, so spent the day hiking up. I don't know if you can see it. We were up somewhere up there. After that we ate. I had like a giant pizza, came home, instantly took a 2-hour nap. Now we're just gonna take it easy tonight, have some drinks, just enjoy this view. I mean, this view is just, man. And then tomorrow we're doing a boat sailing tour to Pakleni Island. Hvar has definitely been a more like relaxed trip so far than we've had in Paris and Dubrovnik. So we're definitely, feel like we're recharging, but at the same time having a really good time. So that's it for tonight. We will see you tomorrow on the boat, and hopefully Jamila doesn't get seasick.
We just got done with the sailing tour that lasted 4 hours. If you're ever in Hvar, you should definitely do like a boat tour, or even rent your own boat if you have a license. Water is just super clear and beautiful.
So now we're back at our Airbnb, getting ready to eat some lunch. We're probably gonna take a nap right after this, because we're gonna hit the town tonight starting at 10 p.m. We're gonna do a pub crawl. And for the first hour, between 10 and 11, you get free drinks.
Me and Brandon typically don't drink at all. Or we do drink, but it's always at home, and we drink wine, and we...
Yeah, I never drink at all.
Hvar is known to be like a party island, so we want to get outside of our comfort zone for a little bit.
before we go drink a bunch of alcohol, we gotta eat some food. And then drink more alcohol.
He's getting a head start.
Yes. Oh, the morning after. So last night we went out. Well, we attempted to go out. Made it to 2 bars. Unfortunately, we were supposed to go from the second bar and then take the water taxi to an island for like the big party. But it was 1:30 a.m. and the taxi still hadn't left yet. And we were literally just like falling asleep. Clearly, we're not built for the clubbing scene. When we went, it was a group of like 60 people. If you're single and you're looking to party like all night, this place is definitely for you. But for us, still feeling the effects.
Alright guys, okay, so we are packed and all ready to go. We are now leaving Hvar to go to Split in the same ferry that we did to come here. And it's a really short walk, but it is kind of a treacherous path because we have to, or Brandon has to carry my suitcase down this long staircase.
At least we're walking down. When we got here, I had to walk up and I was just like dying. Getting a little heavy. But it won't be too bad walking down. Anyways, Hvar was fantastic. Did a lot in these 4 days and we felt like we're able to recharge and get ready for our next destination.
So we'll see you in Split.